Друзья, всем привет!
Hello friends, I am next to a wonderful Peugeot Traveller. I have a great video review about this car. If you are interested, you can find the link in the description. Today I will talk not only about this car. The information is also suitable for owners of Toyota, Citroen and Opel cars. These are the same cars produced under different brands. If you are the owner of a family minivan of any other brand, you will also be interested in today's video of mine.
В машине просторно, удобно.
It is very comfortable and spacious to sit in this car. There are such wonderful armrests. But there is one problem. For some reason, the car manufacturer decided that we don't need an armrest next to the door. Neither the passenger nor the driver has it. Strange decision. I'm sure this armrest is cheap. Today we will try to solve this problem on our own. In a passenger car, we usually put our elbow on the recess in the door. On large minibuses, this is more difficult.
Если нет подлокотника,
If there is no armrest, I put my hand right here on top of the door.
но вот проблема в том, что
But the problem is that Peugeot and Citroen have this ledge on the door that is round and narrow. If I put my hand here, it slips and falls. In addition, the door is far away and I have to reach for it. There is definitely no armrest here. I don't understand why Peugeot Citroen engineers didn't install it here.
здесь не сделали. На первый взгляд кажется,
It may seem that there is a simple solution. Buy an original armrest from an authorized dealer and install it on the left. But the price for it is very high. I'm not sure that technically it can be done. I propose to install such a wonderful armrest that I bought on AliExpress. Its cost is only $30.
Что вам сказать о своей...
I want to talk about my feelings. I felt very comfortable to sit behind the wheel.
То есть стало реально круто, очень
It's like I'm sitting at home on the couch watching TV.
дома перед телевизором. Класс. Причем вот разницы... Вот,
I do not feel that the left and right armrest are different in design. I feel they are the same.
фактически,
In fact, the armrest from China is even better. It's longer.
Во-вторых, у него такой мягенький
It's soft rubber. The material is similar to the handrails on city buses.
и карус такие были. Далее, вот оригинальный подлокотник.
The problem with the original armrest is that it has to be constantly adjusted when you put it down. It's more convenient here.
Здесь есть колесико,
There is a special wheel that adjusts the height of the armrest. It is enough to adjust once.
занимает
The thing is excellent and I recommend it to everyone, but there is a main question: where to drill and how to fix it. I will tell you about this today and show you everything. After this video, you will be able to install such an armrest yourself in 30 minutes.
Итак, давайте рассмотрим.
Let's take a look at this design. It is made of steel.
Достаточно крепкий
There is a movable bracket for mounting.
кронштейн для крепления
Here you can see the adjustment wheel.
регулировки высоты.
The metal frame is covered with a soft rubber material.
Резиновым покрытием, которое достаточно приятно на ощупь. Если мы посмотрим на наше сиденье,
If you look at your driver's seat, you may have a question.
совершенно непонятно.
How to fix this armrest here?
Давайте для начала
Let's use 3D graphics to show the basic principle of our work today.
обычным стандартным
A typical minibus seat has a steel frame under the upholstery material.
жесткий стальной,
The wide plate on the side provides strength to the back of the seat.
который является
I will attach the armrest to this plate.
К ним
Armrest installation is as follows.
установки выглядит следующим образом.
On the side panel of the seat, I install a bracket with an axis of rotation.
С осью вращения затягиваем его
Tighten the bolts.
и потом
Then I put on the armrest. I hope this helped you understand what we are going to do now.
давайте перейдем к
It's time to remove the upholstery from our seat.
процесс с отстёгиванием
It is necessary to unfasten the back plastic cover.
одного винта, только
There are no screws here, only plastic latches. Take your time and be careful.
заднюю стенку на себя.
It will take a little effort to pull the back cover towards you.
Вот здесь вы можете видеть сами защёлки.
Here you can clearly see these plastic latches.
Самое нижнее — это
There are hooks at the bottom.
крючок, чтобы
Begin to pull the cover from the top. When all latches are released, pull the cover up to remove it from the hooks. This is what the seat looks like without the back cover. Now we need to remove the seat trim. You may think that this is a complicated process, but it's not. Here are the usual plastic hooks. They are easily removed from the steel frame.
После того, как я отстегнул всю обивку,
We need to unfasten the entire trim on the left side of the seat. Then carefully wrap the fabric. Here you see foam rubber and under it is an airbag. Please be extremely careful with the airbag. I recommend disconnecting the battery, it will be safer. If you look closely, you will see the steel side of the seat that I showed you in 3D graphics. Here she is under the airbag. So that it does not interfere with us, we can unscrew the two nuts and remove the airbag to the side. But it is not necessary to do so. You can only loosen the nuts a little. Our armrest will not interfere with airbag deployment. I studied video crash tests of this car. The video clearly shows that the pillow opens forward, and not to the side. The armrest will be under the airbag and will not interfere with it. Or you can disable this airbag altogether. Now we need to drill 2 holes with a diameter of 10 mm. This is needed to attach the armrest bracket.
теперь есть некоторая тонкость. Дело в том, что
Pay attention to the design features. There is a plastic clip that holds the cable. She bothers us. The clip is located under the armrest bracket attachment point.
к каркасу сиденья. Поэтому нам нужны проставки. Можно использовать
To solve this problem, we need bushings.
пару лишних гаек.
I used nuts that I screwed onto the bolts.
Далее следует очень ответственная операция.
Now there will be a very important procedure. Need to cut a hole in the seat upholstery. It should be exactly in the place where the axis of rotation of the armrest is located. You can't go wrong here. To perform this operation, you need to put the seat trim back on. But before that, I will drill a small hole exactly in the center of the bracket. Into this hole I insert a long needle. With its help, I will be able to determine the exact coordinates where you need to cut the skin.
Которым надо прорезать обивку. Как вы понимаете, права на ошибку здесь нету.
Take your time and be careful. Fully cover the seat.
Ну теперь самое время затянуть болты.
Now you can tighten the bolts. Please note that there is a space between the bracket and the seat plate. Armrest bracket does not press on the clip that holds the cable. I recommend using nuts with a plastic retainer. They will not unscrew during vibration. Don't forget to use wide washers. This is what it looks like from the inside of the seat.
Сборка происходит в обратном порядке, натягиваю.
Seat assembly is carried out in reverse order. I stretch the seat upholstery and then put on the armrest. The armrest is fixed with a special screw from below. The last step is to attach the plastic seat cover to the back. Start from the bottom. Put on the hooks first. Then press firmly to fasten the latches. That's all. Enjoy the results of our work. In the description of the video, I will give a link to the AliExpress seller from whom I bought this armrest. You can order it there. I think that the installation of the armrest on other minibuses looks about the same. Try. I hope this information was useful to you. I tried to create an understandable video. Please like and be sure to subscribe. Good luck. And bye.